I'm blinded by your grace. I'm blinded by your grace, your waves. I'm blinded by your grace. Lord, I've been broken. Oh Lord, I'm not worthy. You fixed me. Now I'm blinded by your grace. You came and saved me. Lord, I'm not broken. Although I'm not worthy, you fixed me. Now I'm blinded by you came and saved me.
Feel better, make her feel better, then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better, then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better, then that's where she'll go.
Welcome guys. I hope nizohlala nonwabe kumnandi apha kwekhaya. It's nice here. Sorry and guys, phantse ndafa yiflu. Okwandibanjwe yiflu ndizama ngcono namhlanje. Ndizama better today. But bye guys.
Or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better.
Good morning. It's another day, another dollar. It's another day of this vlog, guys. Molweni. Sivukile. Siphangele izolo enight, safika salala, savuka. Siyahamba. Ndibona endleleni kayenza ndibona apho ndiyakhona. My OOTD outfits of today. Let me show you guys. Ignore a mess elapha background. I'm wearing my slides from Woolworths. And then you know this dress. I got this dress from Pick n Pay clothing. Yeah, kupholile wethu angazi noba ndizohamba ndinje okanye ndizonxiba isilamba. Ndizonxiba esi silamba. Then ndisithenge kwabantu sasithenge ngumyenam. Ndandisithenge kwa-Truworths. Yo, come in this. Yeah, baguette shush. Yeah, catch it.
No, actually, I feel yeah. I will not don't be like that. Will be that. You can have.
That's all right, Isla. That's all vale, no vale. That's tofu. Hey, masambita. Siyama kanjani? Hayibo, wenza ntoni?
Nenze iblock.
Super zamisa OOTD yam. Uvelile ke sa.
Yeah, OOTD.
OOTD.
Yeah.
No.
I'm blinded by your grace. I'm blinded by your grace. Your waves. I'm blinded by your
Oh, masambe no. Zameno. Masambe.
I'm blinded by your grace. You came and saved me. Lord, I'm not broken. Although I'm not worthy, you fix me. Now I'm blinded. You came and saved me.
Yaqhuba. Why? Sibafuna abantu abanejealous ke thina. Jealousy.
Forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel
Hey,
better.
guys, I hope you guys are still good. Today ngizokwenza into different. I'm gonna do something different. We gonna do a couples challenge, things we like about each other. And andiyami ndodwa, ndihamba nota. Say hi, Ta. Okay, sizoqala umuntu uzokubiza into azithandayo ngomuntu ezi5. Nazobiza 5 nota uzobiza 5. So uzoqala uta. Yeah, baby one.
Ndizithandayo. Ndithanda wena.
Ewe uthanda ntoni?
Wena.
Ewe ndayazi uba uthanda mna but ke ngoku ezi5 nje into ezi5 oqanda hayi emntabe.
Ndithanda wena. Ndithanda wena. Thanda wena mntwana.
Yayibhuda le challenge.
Ndithanda ingqiniba, ndithanda mna, ndithanda wena wonke.
Hayi kaloku uthi okay ndithanda into ethile. Ndithanda indlela opheka ngayo. Indlela ohleka ngayo.
Ngoku andiyithandi indlela ohleka ngayo. Andiyithandi ngoku.
Itheni kuba idubula?
Uyadubula ngoku.
Exactly. Down. Ntofo iti emsebenzini kuyabanda wena. So ngizosebenzisa yona. I think ndiyayithanda le color. Nemina ngathi ngosithatha yapha wathi ifana nasendlini yakho. Yebo. Yebo. I think i-favorite color yam ke. The 100 rand. I'm gonna prepare to go to work for Amalast. This is my last night shift. This is my off for 4 days. And then I think it's on one tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye. You guys are still good. Today it's a Saturday and I'm officially off. I'm off from work, so I think I'm gonna close off this vlog here because I feel like ngathi inde and andifuna nibora. So ndizayivala namhlanje and then ndiqale entsha for next week. Bye guys, I hope you enjoy the vlog. If you watch until this far, please comment with what I'm wearing, with a blue heart. Please just drop a blue heart so one ba ubukele until up. Thank you so much guys for your support. I really appreciate it. Bye, see you on the next one.